Struggling to turn data into decisions? That's where Microsoft Analytics tools comes in. In 2025, tools like Power BI, Excel, and Synapse let businesses analyze, visualize, and share insights across teams. You can create interactive dashboards, run reports, and combine multiple data sources to make smarter decisions fast. AI integrations help with predictions, pattern detection, and automating routine analysis. The real strength is versatility. From small teams using Excel to enterprises leveraging Power BI and Synapse, Microsoft covers simple reporting to advanced analytics. It's powerful, familiar, and scales with your business needs. So, if you want analytics that grow with you, Microsoft Suite is a strong all-in-one solution. Like the video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want review next.